King's bread. Have you ever heard about this bread? It is amazing and super easy to make. You don't have idea how wonderful it is. Well, use 150 milliliters of milk, 150 milliliters of water, 90 grams of butter, half a cup of sugar, dry yeast. I used 10 grams of it. And let's mix everything very well until it's all dissolved, okay? I added 2 eggs, 700 grams of flour, a good pinch of salt, and mix it again. First of all, we are going to make the white batter and then the dark batter. As you can see, I added half of the flour, then I added the other half, all right? Then just knead it very well until it's very smooth, just like the one in the video. And let's let it rest, all right? I cut it in half because one of them will be white and the other one, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa, just to let it with chocolate taste and the color of chocolate, okay? Now let's cover it as well and let them grow until it doubles the size. Around here, it took 30 minutes. It's very fluffy and look how beautiful it is, guys, very smooth. Now let's open it very well like this and then put the dark one above. Just like you can see on the video, guys, there's no secret, okay? Super easy to make. It looks difficult, but it isn't. My feeling here will be dulce de leite and chocolate. Guys, seriously, it's giving me water in my mouth just remembering it. We are going to fill just one part of the dough as you saw on the video, okay? And you can use different fillings like Nutella, strawberry, guys, it's gonna be wonderful. And to make those details that it's very beautiful, just cut stripes of it and roll it this way. And then finish rolling it. It's gonna give this wonderful effect. Then let's put it in a form of cake to let it very beautiful. This form is already greased with butter. And let's let this dough grow again for more 20 minutes. So it's gonna be very beautiful. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug. And look how beautiful it is and big, guys. Now just take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 50 minutes or until you see that the white part is already brown like the one in the video. And as you take it out from the oven, wait a little bit to be colder and then you can eat this wonder, guys. And seriously, you don't even need to wait it for it to be too cold because seriously, you want to eat it right away. The chocolate inside is melted. Seriously, there's nothing better than that. And guys, I have already made it with Nutella. It's wonderful as well. You can fill it with whatever you want to. Make it at your house and be surprised as I was. This bread is seriously for a king because it's super good. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys with this scene right now because seriously, it's suffering. And kisses and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.